Node to code is one of the useful features in Dynamo, using which you can convert your large script into limited number of nodes. In this video, we will see how we can convert our large script into node to code and also run with Dynamo and Dynamo Player. See, there are 4 outputs for Dynamo Player: ducts, cable tray, conduit and pipe. So we will convert to node to code except these 4 output. Selecting all here and node to code. See, only 3 nodes are here. We can now rearrange remaining ones. Now doing the same thing again. Now organizing remaining nodes here. Just select here all and left align. And next time Y average. And here right align and Y average. Now saving this script as test2, we will run this script using Dynamo Player. See, test2 is here. Just click on this. All the outputs are also here. Just click run. See, it's working. So if this video is helpful to you, please like this video, share this video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.